So I'm making this promo video even though there's like some really loud workers over there and it's really hot outside. Yeah. Anyways, so recently I've got some stuff from Poison Tragic, who is owned by Andy Oswald, and her stuff is so cute, and I'm still ordering some stuff. I have 2 necklaces soon to be on the way, but I got the little, oh, I don't know if the camera's letting it focus, a little lightning bolt, a little cupcake, and brass knuckles, and I'm really happy about them. And I'm also happy other than that, which I will put the link actually of the shop in the description bar thing. Anyways, I'm also happy because I did my hair, it's party different, and I'm starting to turn on lazy on certain things. But anyways, bye.